All right, let's go to Peace, Love, and Vans. I'm excited. Are you excited? Let's talk about what exactly is it. It's a really cool festival, and you go and you camp overnight, or you just come for the day, which is cool too. And it's for the people who are van curious, people who are interested in possibly buying a van, building a van, or just trying to figure out the next steps in their van life journey. So let's take a look, and we'll tell you all about it. So day one, of course, was really cool. This was at Withlacoochee River Park in Dade City, Florida. So it was in March in Florida, so it's great weather, fantastic weather. And we got there and people started lining up and the vans started piling in. They put you in like these little rows, like these little streets, which is really cool. So you get to meet your neighbors and have a good time. And then, of course, there's all these lectures and seminars and workshops you can attend, and there's music, there's so much music, and there's entertainment, and there's trivia, and there's all sorts of really neat things, and raffles. Don't forget the raffles, really cool raffles. So you want to sort of get immersed and just get the lay of the land. And I walked around and I looked at everything. It was great. I also knew that there was a high chance of rain for Saturday and Sunday. So I thought, first day, better hit it all. I went shopping, got a lot of really cool things, got some new towels and some new socks and some this and some that, some things I needed for the van, which is really cool. And then went out and hung out and had s'mores and campfire stuff on my first night. I loved it. The next morning, we'll talk about that next. Okay, here's Abbey Road, and I'm down there way on the end on Sunshine Lane. Of course they put me on Sunshine Lane. I'm sort of sunny. All right, so today is the actual official day 2 of Peace, Love, and Vans, but it's a little rainy. So we're sort of hibernating, and there are people outside walking around in raincoats and umbrellas and things like that. And I'm like, I think I might hang in the van with Rosie today for a little bit and hang out and wait till it dries out a little more. We're supposed to get 1.5 inches of rain. So let's see how this is going to impact everybody. I'm just, here having my little egg breakfast and maybe some salt and vinegar goldfish crackers. Oh yeah. Just gonna chillax and watch the rain and get some work done inside the van, and then go out a little later and have some fun. So let's see how the day 2 goes. All right, so I also need to point out the obvious. I'm in Florida. It's 68 degrees in my van, and it's 68% humidity. 69% humidity. Must be raining in my van. Anyways, it's been a little chilly this morning. It's not bad, but it's gonna get super humid for the next couple days. So gotta make sure I keep the humidity down. So I've got to come up with some plans here. I need to look at my battery because I've been boondocking now for 2 nights, and my AGM battery not looking so good. Okay, so it's a rainy day, but it didn't keep people from coming out. Look at these people. And then we're all hunkering down to get food, which is amazing. All right, Joe, what are you gonna get?
Jambalaya.
Jambalaya?
Yeah.
Okay, Joe's taking out some pictures, so we're gonna hang on. Hi. Yesterday I got lobster. Today I'm going to Charm City Eats. They did a great job with the food trucks. Getting a crab cake. Yeah. Okay, so it's time for raffle time and prizes and stuff. They're gonna call them out. We gotta go check it out at the big tent. So maybe a rainy day, but we're still gonna go in and have fun. All right, so we're here at the raffle, and they're gonna win stuff, and we got tickets, so we're gonna see if we win anything. Who knows?
So spirited! Camper vans. This is a Live More camper van goodie bag with a t-shirt, a hydration water bottle. And the winner is by ticket number first 547088. In the name of Val. There's Val! We got it!
Hey guys, so what are we doing?
We're watching other people win raffle prizes.
We're rooting them on.
Good idea.
We're waiting till tomorrow.
Our winnings.
Your wins tomorrow.
7.
What did you want to win at the
Oh, the heater.
The heater. What did you want to win?
The heater.
What do you want to win?
The air conditioner.
They're still doing the raffle. This is fun.
The first one
Okay,
wasn't.
we got a winner here. Wait, she got a lagoon table now. Look at
Yeah,
this.
wait, the first one wasn't.
Spiriting. He's spiriting on. He's so full of spirit he can't hold back. Wow.
So, how old's the typewriter?
It's 1959.
And what do you do with the typewriter?
I have pieces of paper like this, and people come and ask me or tell me what they want a poem about. Sometimes I have some follow-up questions, and then I write up a poem in about 10-15 minutes, and they get to read it, and I get to experience that, which is cool, and then they pay me what they want. Let me see.
Okay, I just got the text that my poem is ready to go pick up, so let's go see what it's like.
Or would you like to read it?
Oh no, you can read
I'll
it.
read it because of the rule. Okay. So hello, my name is Charlie. My life is filled with grace. I love the way I live each day, roaming from place to place. I have been called energetic, and I reign as a van life queen. I'm independent and self-sufficient in my magical machine. There was a time in life I felt I was missing out. Though with Rosie Bell by my side, we took a different route. I've always wanted to find my tribe and create community that require life of a different design to meet people like me. Now I get to connect with others who are embracing the ability to live the life you dream and let it be amazing. This life is not for everyone, but I have found my way, and I find so much gratitude for different scenery every day.
Okay, Rosie and I just got back in. It's a very wet day. It's very wet outside. But it was fun. And we're just going to hunker down for most of the afternoon and, heard some really good speakers and got a poem written about me. That's pretty cool. So, we're just going to hang out in the rain, and then we're going to go meet more of our van fam and see what they're doing tonight. Maybe do a little dancing. That sounds like fun. Rainy days are just another day. You just got to find your sunshine, right? That's what I'm doing. Okay, it's Sunday at Peace Loving Vans, and you know what that means? It's raining. So, it's raining Saturday, it's raining Sunday, 100% all day. Not just like a little bit, 100% all day. That's okay though, we make the best of it. There's people out here with umbrellas and tons of wetsuits and ponchos, and we're here to support, we're having fun. There's a lot of us that are just hanging out. We're gonna camp the whole weekend, you know why? Because we're here for community and learning about really cool van life stuff and meeting really cool people. So next year, who knows what the weather's gonna be like, but you know what? Doesn't matter, we're still having a bunch of fun. So let's go enjoy a nice fun Sunday, and then like today's really the last full day and tomorrow we have to take off. So let's go make some more friends. Oh, and by the way, if anyone says, I don't need an awning, why would I bring an awning? I would say the awning has been a huge game changer. Number one, because people are hanging out under your awning. And two, because it gives you a little more space, because it's a little drizzle. It's not a hard, heavy rain, which is nice. So we can just hang out under the awning and have a great time. Get yourself an awning. You'll thank me for it later.
Your yellow ticket, your golden ticket to vote for your favorite. So the judges kind of narrow it down for us, but you all pick the best in-show band.
All right, we're winning. We're the van fam. We're winning on trivia. This is a big deal. It's the last question. 2 points. 2 points. Here we go. We got this. We got this. Okay, we got this one.
Flamboyant.
We got it in the bag, right? Right? We got it in the bag. We got this one. We got this one. Okay, we're gonna win. Yep.
Stand!
Stand. Fingers.
No?
Stand!
S-T-A-N-D.
Stand. Like Eminem song, right? Like the Eminem song. Stand. Yeah. Stand. Stand. Yeah. So we didn't win, but we came in second, which is good. I mean, we're number 2. We're number 2. We're number 2. We're number 2. All right, so just got back inside. A fun day at Peace, Love, and Vans. Second day, lots of cool things. All great vendors. Got to see a lot of awesome people. They did some judging of different kinds of cool DIY vans. They did some raffles. Just really neat stuff. You know, it's always about the people. Anyways, but it's time to sort of, you know, mellow down for the night. I've actually turned on the generator and turned on the heat because we're all just sort of sopping wet. So I did forget my rain pants, brought my rain jacket, my rain hat, and even got Rosie's, you know, rain clothes so she could go outside. She's not a real big fan of the rain, but you know, we did anyways. We got a lot of rain today. I think we're getting more rain tomorrow. So, you know, hey, we're just gonna roll with it and have some fun out there and, you know, make the best of it. But at the end of the day, that's what we do. Van life isn't all sunshine and rainbows, but actually, okay, it could be a rainbow. I think we're gonna get a rainbow, maybe tomorrow. So much rain, who knows? Okay, it's been a super fun weekend here at Peace Love Vans, or like I call it, Peace Love Rain Vans. But it's been a lot of fun. So it's time to hit the road, and hopefully I'll see you here next year. We're gonna have a whole new section just for these really cool camper van queens on our van fam. So let me know if you want to come next year. I'd love to know in the comments below, and we will definitely get you guys an invite. And you can get your tickets ahead of time, and we will all meet up together. So until then, just remember that every day is an adventure.